Hazrat Abu Thalaba Khushani radiyallahu anhu says that he submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we live in the area of the people of the book, the Jews and the Christians. So should we eat in their utensils? And we reside in the land where there are plenty of game, and I hunt with bow, trained and untrained hounds. So what is the right course of action for me? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, as for what you have mentioned about the people of the book, do not eat in their utensils. If you can get utensils other than theirs, but if you cannot get, wash them and eat in them. And eat of the game you have hunted with an arrow if you have mentioned Allah's name. And eat what you have hunted by a trained hound provided you have recited Bismillah while releasing it. And what you have hunted with your untrained dog, eat of it if you can slaughter it. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 5478.